Hello everyone, welcome to Manoeuvre Education. Here we are going to see Tissnet past year papers. In that we'll see the Tissnet 2021 paper solution. In that we'll see the quant section, particularly the year by year the quant section is getting higher, or the label of the question is getting higher of quant section, right? So here this will be what? Part 1 means you will find 5 questions in this particular part. There will be some more parts where you will find some more questions based on Tissnet 2021 question paper. So I can say you are going to get some more videos based on this series. So what you have to do all, you have to subscribe to the channel and you have to press the bell button so that you can get the notification of upcoming videos. Okay. Before I begin, I want to tell you one thing, that we have launched our live preparation batches, right? So here you will get what? Live class books, shortcut scout class, this all things which is available on your screen, right? This all stuff you will get. And of course, if you want to go for the campuses like Mumbai, Guwahati, Tuljapur, Hyderabad, so for that, what you need a better preparation and better guidance as well. So what you all need to do, you have to call on this number to join our live batches, or you can go manoeuvreedu.com/MBA. Hope you are getting. Let's move ahead with the question part. What you have to do here, you have to pause the video first and you have to do the question by yourself. And after that, you have to see my explanation and I can say my simplified way of doing the question. Of course, we are going to do the question by traditional approach as well as the shortcut method, right? Both which will be the needed, will do that, right? But first you have to see your approach. After that, just see my approach and what basically you have to improve in your side. Just analyze the same. Okay, so let's begin here with the first question. Hope you have done or you have tried this particular question. Question says the compound interest on rupees 30,000 at 7% per annum is rupees 4347. The period in years is. So basically here you have what the principal amount is given. This is what the rate and this is what the interest, which is nothing but compound interest, right? So of course you can easily say that this question is from what? Your compound interest topic, and easily you can analyze here that to gain this much interest you need 2 years, and you can mark your option as suddenly without wasting any minute. How? Just analyze the question. First of all, I'm going with traditional approach, right? So what you will do in traditional approach, what you will do, you will apply the formula of amount. So that formula is nothing but P 1 plus R upon 100 the power n is equal to your amount, and amount is nothing but your principal plus your compound. So this total will be giving you the amount, right? So here you will put this all data in this particular formula and you will get your answer, right? So this is how traditionally you will go. But by logically how you should go, that amount is there, right? 7% is what your rate, right? For 1 year, it is 7. And the total interest occurred, that is nothing but 4347. Okay, so 4347 is how much percent of this 30,000? That first you have to find. So you can easily analyze here. 10% of this 30,000 will be nothing but 3,000, and half of that 10,000 will be nothing but 1,500. So total I can say 15% will be nothing but 3,000 plus 1,500. So you can say that would be nothing but 4,500. Okay, which is nothing but nearby this 434, means less than this. So of course you will say the rate percent will be approximate 15% or less than that. right? And you know how to find out total compound interest. Means if they will ask you to find out 2-year simple interest, then what you will do? You will directly multiply this 7 with this 2 and you will get 14% your total interest. But for compound interest, you have to apply this formula A plus B plus A into B by 100, right? So here 7 plus 7, because here A and B is nothing but only 7, right? Plus 7 into 7 by 100. So directly you will get 14.49%, which is nothing but approximately 15%, right? So to go 14.49, which is nothing but this, or I can say approximately 15%, how many times you have to go with this 7%? Or I can say how many times or how many years you have to go with this 7%. So of course you will go 2 times, then you will reach here. And compound interest is always more than the simple interest. So simple interest in this case you are getting 14%, and compound interest you get what? More than that. But if you go 3 times, then you will get what? 21%. So it is not possible. So 3-4 year तो ऐसे ही हम रिजेक्ट कर सकते हैं, दो ऑप्शन बचे हमारे 2 year और 1.5. तो 1.5 भी नहीं आएगा. So you can mark easily 2 year. Hope you are understanding how to analyze the question and do by your common sense. Let's move ahead. The question based on same topic, that is simple compound interest. Here the question says money doubled at 10% per annum, compounded interest, minimum number of completed years. Basically what this question is saying, you have 100 rupees. I have taken my principal as 100 and it is becoming 200. Means it is becoming double, right? Because here it is saying it's doubling. So here it is increasing by 100, right? And your rate is nothing but 10%. Okay. And you are calculating your rate using compounded annual. Okay. So how much time with this 10% you will go so that it will become double? That is what the ask is. If you will go by simple interest, then you can easily say, sir, we have to go 10 times. Means सिंपल इंटरेस्ट में क्या करना है, अगर 1 ईयर का सिंपल इंटरेस्ट दिया है 10%, तो 10 ईयर का कितना होगा, you just multiply that and you will get your total simple interest, that is nothing but 100%. So 100% of this 100 will be nothing but 100. So you will add that interest and you will get 200. But ये सिंपल इंटरेस्ट है क्या? Of course not. So compound interest में क्या होगा, in less time it will become more. मतलब कि 10 ईयर उसको नहीं लगेंगे और ये उससे कम टाइम में क्या हो जाएगा, वो 100% पे पहुंच जाए, राइट? सो क्या करना है यहाँ पे, वी कांट टेक दिस 10 ईयर, इट विल बिकम लेस देन दिस 10. तो ये 2 तो नहीं हो सकता, राइट? इतना कम नहीं हो सकता, बिकॉज अगर 10% करके इंक्रीज हो रहा है तो 2 साल में ओनली 20% या फिर उससे थोड़ा ज्यादा है. 4 ईयर में अप्रोक्सीमेटली 50% तक इंक्रीज हो जाए, राइट? सो you can't take these 2 options as well. So you can mark your option as integer. By simple analyzing the question, you can say in 8 year, if you will go with 10 compounding annually, it will become 100% approximately. So this principal will get double of itself, right? Let's move ahead. This is how basically you have to approach what you have to do the question. Now the third question says a person goes at 20 km per hour and returns at 24 km per hour. The average speed is calculated. So here you have to find out the average speed. So what you will do, you can apply the formula. That formula is nothing but 2ab by a plus b, and you can get the answer. Or what the thing, or I can say what the approach you can follow, that I'm going to explain. Just understand it properly. Here you can see the concept of weighted average is coming. So one thing you have to remember here, if there is two value, so average will not exceed this two value, means ये 24 से ऊपर और 20 के नीचे नहीं जा सकता. So what you will do, you will reject this option, right? You can easily reject option number C, that is 25 किलोमीटर. ठीक है, अब तीन ऑप्शन है. How basically you have to decipher here. So कभी भी in this particular case your answer will be less than the middle value. So 20 और 24 जो middle value है, that will be nothing but 22 किलोमीटर. Okay, and the answer will be less than this 22 किलोमीटर. Less than means या तो ये या तो फिर ये आंसर, राइट? ओके, सो यहाँ पे दो ऑप्शन ऐसे आ गए हैं. देन यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट. अगर नहीं होते, जस्ट सपोज यू वुड हैव ओनली वन ऑप्शन, देन व्हाट यू विल डू, यू कैन डायरेक्टली मार्क द ऑप्शन एंड गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट one. So here what I can do, I will apply, I will put in this formula. So 2 into 20 into 24 by 20 plus 24. So here you will get what? So here 240 by 11 you are getting, and you can easily say the answer will be in point. So your answer will be nothing but the first one, right? So here this is how you can do. One more approach is there of this particular question, and that approach is nothing but the total distance upon total time वाला formula you have to use, and you will get the answer. तो ये सारे स्टफ्स जो है हम लाइव क्लासेस में कवर करते हैं, जो भी ये शॉर्टकट मेथड है और जो कंसेप्चुअल अप्रोच है, जो एनालाइजिंग से आंसर आ जाता है, ये सारे अप्रोच हम लोग लाइव क्लासेस में कवर करते हैं. So that will be very beneficial for you if you are joining that. Okay, so let's move ahead for the next question. And here you can see A, B, C can complete a work in 18, 20 and 30 days. B and C working for 2 days and leave. A will complete the remaining work in. So here by common sense you can eliminate this option number C. How? See, if A alone will do 2 days work, then it will take 16 days more, right? Because total he is taking 18 days और 2 दिन कर लिया तो बचे 16 days और लगेंगे और वो पूरा काम. Now this work is simultaneously, means 2 days this work is done by simultaneously B and C as well. Of course here it will take less than 16 days, right? So you can easily reject this option number 2. Now again this option elimination is not working, मतलब कि जो ऑप्शन हमने एलिमिनेट किया उससे हमारा आंसर ऑल्दो नहीं आ रहा है, बट यू शुड ट्राई दिस अप्रोच. ठीक है, क्योंकि बहुत टाइम ऐसा होता है यू कैन एलिमिनेट 3 ऑप्शंस एज, ठीक है, या फिर आपकी एक्यूरेसी कह सकता हूं मैं, और एक्यूरेसी विल इंक्रीज बाय 50%. मींस 2 ऑप्शंस में ही आपको चुनने होते हैं कि which one will be the correct, right? Now we'll go for the traditional approach. कैसे करना है, you can see what you have to do. You have to take the LCM of these 3. You can easily take the LCM of 18 and 30. That will be nothing but 90, because 90 is a number that comes in the table of 18 and 30 as well, right? So 90 तो मिल गया इन दोनों, but what about this 20 and 90? So you will take the LCM of 20 and 90, and that is nothing but you can easily say 180, because 180 is a number that comes in the table of 90 and 20 as. So here this 180 is a list number which comes in the table of 18, 20 and 30, or I can say 180 is a multiple, least multiple, which comes in the table of 18, 20 and 30, right? So here 180 will be nothing but your total unit of work, right? Now here A is doing in 18 days, so in 1 day it will do 10 units. B is doing in 20 days, it will do in 1 day 9 units. And for C is doing in 30 days, so here it will do in 1 day 6 units, right? Hope you understand. Now BC is working together for 2 days, so here you have to add these two value. So 9 plus 6, that is 15 units they will do in 1 day. So for 2 days they will do simultaneously 30 units, right? Remaining unit will be nothing but, you can say, 150. And if that 150 will do this A, so in 1 day it is doing 10 units. So for 150 unit it will take 15 days. So your answer will be nothing but this 15 days. Okay, hope you are understanding. Let's move ahead and see the next question, that is question number 5. Product of two numbers is 45 and then difference is 4. Find the sum of their squares. Here, this is what simple number crunching you will do. You will get your answer. What is this number crunching? Basically, you have to assume some values and you have to put in this particular case, and that should satisfy our condition. Okay, so that is what the number crunching is, right? So here, this is what the product of two number is 45. So you will find out that two number. You can say the number would be nothing but 15 into 3, it can be possible, or 9 into 5. Okay, but the second statement is saying their difference is 4. So if you will find out the difference of 15 and 3, of course you will not get 4. Right? But in case of 9 and 5, you will of course get 4. So what you have to do? You have to take your value as 9 and 5. Okay. Now what you have to find out? You have to find out the sum of their squares. So 9 ka square kya hoga? 81. और 5 का square 25. Add karo, you will get 106, which is nothing but option number first. I hope you are understanding. Hope this video will be helpful for you. If you are preparing for Flexib or any other programs, what you can do, you can join our live preparation batches, and also for this specific content, you can subscribe our new YouTube channel, which is nothing but Manoeuvre TISS entrance. Okay, and can also get connected with us via Facebook, Insta, and Telegram. Right? The link will be in description. Very all the best for your preparation. Thank you.